The normally consolidated layer is 2 meter thick, one-way drainage from the application of the given version. A total anticipated primary contribution settlement will be 18 years. Kaya siya total primary consolidation. Total primary consolidation and average dito total primary dito. What is the average degree of consolidation of a year with the settlement? Average degree of consolidation. Kaya wala na siya variation portion of the visualization portion of the with kumbaga, U sa way required, U1 over U total. Atong 100% nagyap over kanang total consolidation yan. There is a problem, total anticipated primary consolidation settlement. So the U niya is 100%, kaya total is 80 mm. So versus na 80 mm din. Okay, total, that is H mm na siya. H total, and H1 okay. So U1 is just ratioing H1 which is with a problem that is just 25 mm. Kumbaga linear lang ang pagkakon ratio ng function. And it is 80 mm. That times of course 100 total naman. This is in percent. Sila naman in percent. Linear lang ang pagka-ratio. 25 over 80 times 100. 5%. Okay. When settlement abot na sa 25 mm, ayan consolidation na 31.25%. Okay, if the average value of CV given as CD, for the pressure range is 0.002 centimeter per second, how long will it take to reach 50%? Okay, balik sa table. So, now the formula to. So, time is equals to, so as TV, masolve siya through table, then HDR squared over TV. Then given a normally consolidated plane, if the average value of TV for a pressure range, how long will it take? So, given naman ito ng HDR, that is the on 3 meters. There is a problem. 3 meter thick plane here. So I think nagkaroon na itong 50% kanina sa table at is 0.187. So tanawan ito sa table na ba? 0.187, then it is since one way na rin actual naman siya. That is 3 meters square over CV na 0. What's up? Note na CV is centimeter square per second. So it means centimeter square per minute. So 3 meter times para centimeter 100, 300 centimeter square. Then this is 0.002 centimeter square per. So therefore, unit na in seconds. That's a centimeter square. So pila in seconds. million pa? So, divide o kwan. Para mag-raise na po, 3,600, try niya 24. Kila? 102 point. Ani? Base na ni? Base na siya? 63 meters pa po. So, magpagkapon siya. Then, how long will it take? 50% consolidation to current drain. Kung yun na nila, drain at tapos boto, mas po na rin. Kaya nga, kung divide to. This is B, A, and this is C. So, mausap natin sa C, the time is equal to 0.197, and then I was at 300 over 2 square over 0.7. Time is, of course, divide 3,600 by 24 para maliit na nito. Kaya to? 25.65. 25.65. This is Ganun na